Hello everyone, welcome back our L3 Toy channel. Today, we will unboxing the Beast. This is the SG906PRO 2. This is third generation and the latest model on the ZLRC brand. It just released in August. This is the packaging on the SG906PRO 2. And here you can see it is switchable, the dual camera, and it is 3-axis gimbal. And here we can see it is foldable drone, the GPS, return home, point of interest, waypoint, the intelligent app flowing, super long flight time, 4K HD, the multi-axis gimbal, 3-axis gimbal, and also can 50 times zooming, and the optical flow positioning. Back. So this is the SG906PRO 2. This is latest model, yes, on the JL drone. So let's start to unboxing. So we got a bag on this package. This is the standard with one battery, ZLRC quadcopter. Here is the drone, the SG906PRO 2, and the remote control. So this is the drone. Look very nice. It's foldable arm with the brushless motor. This is the brushless motor. Yeah. Also with the gimbal cover. Let's tap off. So it is the 3-axis gimbal. And the optical flow. Camera is here. Optical flow sensor. And the battery. Okay, this is the cable. Is USB, micro USB, and the USB for charging the battery, and the tools for install the propellers, and the joystick, the remote control joystick, and the spare propellers. Okay, this is all inside the box. You got a bag, remote drone, and the accessory, the spare propellers. And for this model, the remote control is not rechargeable, so you have to install the 4 AA battery. This is the latest model and the third generation on the SG906PRO 2. So what's the difference from the previous model? So please look on the details here. Okay, so this is the details. So now let's fly.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and please leave a comment at the below. And see you on the next video. Goodbye.
Through the back door.